1. Insulated screwdrivers and tools. Designed with non-conductive handles, these tools protect electricians from electric shock when working near or on live components. 2. Voltage tester, non-contact, allows you to safely detect the presence of voltage in wires and outlets without touching any bare conductors. It's fast, easy, and essential for verifying circuits are de-energized. 3. Multimeter, a digital or analog device used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. It's critical for troubleshooting and ensuring that circuits are safe to work on. 4. Insulated gloves, rubber electrical gloves, protects hands from electrical shock. Rated gloves are used depending on the voltage level. Always inspect them before use for any damage or wear. 5. Lockout Tagout Kit includes locks, tags, and devices used to isolate electrical circuits during maintenance. It prevents accidental energization of equipment while being serviced. 6. Safety glasses or goggles, essential for eye protection against sparks, flying debris, or potential arc flashes. Keeps your vision safe during drilling, cutting, or working near panels. 7. Hard hat protects your head from falling tools, overhead electrical hazards, or impacts in confined spaces. A must-have in any construction or industrial site. 8. Flash PPE, personal protective equipment, includes flame-resistant clothing, arc-rated face shields, and gloves. These protect against the intense heat and blast of an arc flash, which can cause severe injury. 9. Insulated pliers and cutters. These are designed to safely grip, twist, or cut wires while reducing the risk of conducting electricity through the tool to your body. 10th. Circuit finder or breaker locator. Used to identify which breaker controls a specific circuit or outlet. Helps avoid accidental energization and saves time during repairs. 11th. Ground resistance tester. Checks that grounding systems are effective. Proper grounding is vital for electrical safety, helping to direct stray currents safely into the earth. 12th. First aid kit, electrical ready, should contain supplies to treat electrical burns, minor cuts, and shocks. Quick response to injuries can prevent complications or serious harm.